and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do my first impression and product review on my new straightener. It was sent by Duvolle, so thank you so much, which I'm so excited about and so excited to tell you guys how it works and what I think about it. So thank you so much, Duvolle, for sending this to me. I can do a full review on this straightener. So Duvolle is actually a brand not just for straightener or curling wand or hair tools, but also for face tools. I believe they have a bunch as well and other products, so make sure to check them out. But the one that they sent me is the Impulse Professional Flat Iron. So I use this flat iron to curl my hair. Yes, you can use it to curl your hair as well. So this is what I use today for my hair and I love it. And using this straightener for the very first time, like literally it's my first time using a straightener to curl my hair. But before I jump into the demo, I want to show you guys how the straightener looks like and the functionality of it. So this is the straightener, guys. It is black and matte finish. I really like the slick look and the feel of it. So it looks really professional. I like that it has a 360 swivel cord. Doesn't get tangled up, and which kind of gets annoying sometimes when you're doing your hair. It has the on and off button here. There's 5 different settings. So it goes from 270 and highest will be 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So I want to show you guys quickly. So you just turn it on from here and you see that red light there. And it starts from the lowest setting and then you just change it by clicking that button up to the end, and then just to turn it off, it just press after the highest temperature. So now let's talk about the feature. The feature is what I love the most about this straightener. So this is called far infrared flat iron. So far infrared technology compared with other flat iron out in the market, which they usually fry your hair. This one, because of that technology, it uses a gentler heat and really penetrates and distribute the heat throughout your hair, which results to less damage and less frizzy hair. It also have the ENIG, or extra negative ion generation, which decreases the damage to your keratin and helps seal the hair cuticles so it looks more shiny and smooth after you do your hair. Also has tourmaline infused ceramic plates that helps reduce frizz and static. Plus it also have 3D floating plates to make sure that it doesn't tag your hair strands when you are curling or straightening your hair. Like for me, guys, when I first used this to curl my hair, that's what I noticed right away, because I never had a flat iron that doesn't tag my hair or a client's hair. That's why I never use a flat iron for years that I've been doing client's hair and my hair. I just use a curling wand ever since. So I'll turn it on again, guys, just to show you the infrared inside the plate. So you'll see that red lights there. That's the infrared technology, guys. So as far as the features, that's the one that really fascinated me with this hair straightener, because of all the technology that they put in it. I know that my hair will be less damaged and my client's hair will be less damaged but more smoother and less frizzy and shinier hair. So now I'll be popping here a demo of how I did my hair today using this flat iron. This is the very first time, like I said, the very first time that I use a flat iron to curl my hair. I always use a curling one to curl my hair because, to be honest, I've tried different flat irons before and I can never, for the life of me, make it work to curl my hair or my client's hair without tagging their hair. So that is my first impression when I first use this for myself, is that for me using it for the very first time, it was impressive that it was easy to use and I get this nice loose curls for probably 10 minutes. I have just an idea, my hair is naturally straight and fine. That's why I didn't do a demo of straightening my hair, because it is already naturally straight. What I did is a demo of how to curl, how to use this straightener, not just for straightening but also curling your hair. So for me, it is a big thing that a straightener can be used as a curler as well, because that will be 2-in-1. I don't have to use 2 different tools or bring it with me when I travel. Especially for my clients, I can just bring this one and I can do 2 hairstyles with just 1 tool. So that's how my hair looks like before, and this is the after I curl it with this straightener. But my review doesn't just stop there. I know that I have to test this out as a straightener, but because like I mentioned, my hair is not meant for doing a real test. I have one client, her name is Sonia, and she came in for a bridal hair and makeup trial, and she had the perfect hair to do a test. So I did another recording on that day when I did her hair, and it's the very first time that I used this one on a client. I will show you guys the before and after. If you guys want to see the hair transformation of Sonia and how this one works for her hair and see how her hair turns out, then keep on watching. Hi guys! So today we are going to try our new Duvolle Impulse Professional Flat Iron with my client. So for her hair, she wants to do a waterfall braid, and she have thick and frizzy hair, especially at the front. So we are going to test out this new hair straightener that I got from Duvolle. It is pretty slick. I like how it feels. That's my first impression so far. So the real test would be how it would work with thick curly hair, how it will straighten, and I want to test it out too if I can use it as curling wand as well. So I will show you guys later on how my client's hair look like and how the result would be. So stay tuned. You're gonna go in the front, especially at the front, right? Like over here. So that's the real test for today. This is my beautiful model client, Sonia. Guys, this is the result. One side using the straightener, and I use that to curl. Look how smooth the hair. And this is the side in comparison. This is our final look for our waterfall braid using our Duvolle infrared hair straightener. So we use it to curl her hair. Look how shiny her hair is, and no frizz at all. So there you go guys, what do you think of Sonia's hair? Those are my tests for my hair and for my clients. So you can really see the before and after for a straight hair to curling it using this straightener, and then from very curly hair to straight hair in no time. Plus, her hair really looks so nice and shiny and healthy. So that is a big thing. Now let's jump on my final honest review about this product. So you can probably tell with how I discussed this product from the beginning of the video that I really like this straightener. Let me just tell you that my honest opinion, I highly recommend for so many reasons. Their features, like all the technology that they put in here, is worth it. So the price for this straightener is $195. I would say that is pretty average for a really good quality straightener that will last you years. I would tell you I am an avid fan of the brand called Numi. I'll show you their straightener. So this one is from Numi. That's the brand. I have this straightener for a couple of years at least, and then I have the interchangeable curling wand for a few years now for myself, and then I also have one extra for my clients or for my professional kit. But I would tell you guys, I never can make this work for curling my hair or a client's hair. So this one only works for me as a straightener, and their price is about the same. But now that I've tried the Duvolle far infrared straightener, I would absolutely convert to this. Being a loyal customer of another brand and then converting to a new one, that's a big thing. Just because of like how this one makes it so easy for me to use it, not just a straightener but also a curler, plus on a very tight curls and getting their hair really nicely straight without making it look so dry. That is a big thing, especially if you guys always use a hot tool. You want to invest on a good hair tools that would save your hair. Something that would do less damage compared with a regular hair straightener or hair curler, because that would make everything worth it. This one is straighten your hair or curl your hair in a very short period of time. Because of that, it does less damage, save you a lot of time, and it makes your hair look shinier and healthier. If there is only one thing that I would probably say, it's not a con or a negative thing, but I just hope that they make more colors. I love pink, but I love that they send me black because I can use this for my clients because it looks really professional. But I do love rose gold, so I hope they launch other colors and also nice metallic ones like rose gold. So that's all I can say. Otherwise, like maybe their price could be a little bit less, but like I said, it is an average price for a high quality cut tools. But let me give you the good news, since this is almost the end of the video and you're still watching. I have a promo code for you guys, for all my subscribers and my followers, and you watching my video right now. I have partnered with Duvolle to be able to give you guys a promo code, which is 70% off. Yes, that's a lot. So it is worth to try this amazing product, and their other products, check them out. So 70% off on all their hair styling tools and their facial cleansing tools. So make sure to check them out. The code is WayneKArtistry. I will put all the links down below. Please make sure to give me a thumbs up for this video if you enjoyed my review. And at the same time, please subscribe and click that notification bell so you know whenever I have my new video. I think I tackled everything about this product, but if you have any question, feel free to comment down below. And thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you again, guys, next week. Take care and keep safe.